Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to provide a demonstration how to use function pointers to call different functions. For this, I'm going to use code blocks. Okay, share the screen. Now I'm going to create my project, new project, console application, go, we would see, use my loads, cproc. I'm going to call function pointers. Function pointers. Next, I'm going to use my Segwin compiler. Finish. Now I'm going to create different functions. I'm going to create a function to add two numbers. The function adds two numbers, input parameters. It's going to be you're going to has going to have two numbers. Second number one could be a number one to add. Int number two to add and output. Output is going to be an int, the total of the operation. Okay. Now I'm going to declare my function. It's going to be int. I'm going to say addition, int, and one, and int, and two. Okay, number two. Sorry. And I'm going to declare the rest of the functions I'm going to use. I'm going to create a function to subtract numbers, solve the operation, subtraction. I'm going to create another function to multiply numbers. Subtract. I'm going to create my last function. Sorry. To copy, for example, this one. And this is going to be just a moment. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. And model. To get the model from the numbers, two types. Type store. And now I'm going to define those functions and just copy all these definitions. All these definitions here. I'm going to replace the semicolon by its definition. From here, I'm going to return number 1 plus number 2. Then here, I'm going to return number 1 minus number 2. Here, multiplication is going to return number 1 times number 2. Here, I'm going to return number 1 model number 2. Here, I'm going to file this now. And now here, I'm going to ask the first thing, I'm going to create 2 variables. Variable with the direction zone. I'm going to say integer number 1 will be 0, and number 2 will be 0 as well. And now I'm going to ask the user for the first number. We'll say printf, enter the first number. I'm going to use scanf to get the number from the standard input. The standard input file is going to be number 1, probably %, because I have to put the address as a parameter, as a second parameter in the scanf statement. 10%, the address is number 1. To print ask user for the second number. Is the same, use the same code. And the second one, number 2. Number 2. Okay. Now I'm going to print the results. Print result, the operation %, not %, %d plus %d equals %d. And now I need to say number 1, number 2. And here I'm going to use I have to define. I'm going to define type there int asterisk operation type. Operation type int. Here I'm creating a function pointer. This is a function pointer variable, but I'm adding type there because this name is going to be a name of a variable to point to this type of function pointers. So okay, here I have to print using both I'm going to create a global variable called operation. It's going to be an operation type, operation. Okay. Equals no, because this is going to be a pointer. Operation is going to be a pointer type, operation T. And operation T is a function pointer that points a function that returns an integer, and takes two integers as parameters. And this operation is going to be now. This pointer is going to point to be initialized to a null. But here, I'm going to say operation is going to point to ampersand the address to addition. Okay? This is the address to the function addition going to be stored here in this pointer. And now I'm going to say the operation number 1 plus number 2 equals to the result of operation number 1, number 2. And at the end, I have to put my semicolon. And now I'm going to copy this code because it's going to be very similar to make the subtraction. Up to initialize operation to the address of subtraction. And printf operation d minus d equals d, and d, sorry, number 1, number 2 operation. This is not going to change. The only thing is changing is the address of this function. I have to be invoked by this pointer or this function pointer. Okay. And now I'm going to make the same with multiplication. To assign the address of multiplication. Or multiplication to the function pointer. And now I have to change this. I have to change this. Here I have to say mobile. And it's everything fine. I know. I have to add new line, return a new line. And okay, we to compile this something that this doesn't work here. Brackets, okay, because I have to put only one equal. Module. Conventional type at the end of format. Operation number 1 and 2, operation number 1 and 2. Okay. Forgot to put, because this is a special character. It's quite interesting. I have to put oops. What's that? Okay. Okay, now there are no errors. I'm going to check my program. I'm going to compile it using bash. Going to my bash. Okay. I'm going to navigate to my folder. I remember it was okay here in downloads. Function pointers here. function pointer pointers array. Okay, here is my main, and now I'm going to say gcc main c dash o. I'm going to say function pointers dot exe. Okay, it has been completed. Arrays dash array. Here we have my function pointer. Now I'm going to execute. I'm going to say dot slash fp excel. Enter the first number. The first number is going to be, for example, 5. The second number is going to be 3. And here we have our result. The result 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 times 3 is 15. And the model of 5 divided 3 is 2. Because if we divide 5 between 3, the rest is 2. Okay. We can see the program works. We can use the same function pointers pointing to different functions to get different results. Okay. I hope it's clear. If it has been clear, I'll have to clear the concepts and I wait for you in the next video. Thank you for watching.